is structure of nerve cell in class 10. So first we will discuss what is nerve cell and where it is found nerve cell. See, first especially in brain and spinal cord. Okay. See, especially brain and spinal cord, the nerve cells are present, and throughout our body parts also nerve cell is present. Nerve cell is also called neuron. Okay, we will see the parts of the nerve cell. See, this is the cell body. Nerve cell is divided into two parts. One is the cell body and another one is the axon. So this is the cell body. Cell body contains nucleus and this all the cell granules, and one important point is the dendrites. See, these are the fine small projections are present. Fine like projections are called dendrites. And so this is the cell body, and one long elongated tube is present. It is called axon. This is called axon, long elongated tube, and it is connected, it is covered with myelin sheaths. Okay, it is covered with myelin sheath. In this myelin sheath, Schwann cells are present. Okay, in between these sheaths some gap is present. It is called a node of Ranvier, and it contains axon terminals, and these are the endings of the axon terminals. So this is called synaptic node. So this is the parts of the nerve cell. Okay, we will discuss each and every point in detail. First, each nerve cell consists of cell body and nucleus. Okay, already I said, see, cell body contains and nucleus also contains. Each and every cell contains cell body and nucleus. Another second point is what? Fine projections are present. Small projections are called dendrites, long projections are called axon. I had already told these small projections are called dendrites, and this long elongated tube is called axon. And move to another point. Axon is surrounded by specialized sheath is called myelin sheath. Okay, this myelin sheath, see, it is axon contains myelin sheath. It is just covered the axon or protecting the axon, so it is called myelin sheath. And another point, regular intervals called node of Ranvier. See, I said already some gap is present is called node of Ranvier. Okay, we will study what is Schwann cell and what it is doing. We will study in detail. See, myelin sheath is made up of Schwann cells. Okay, I told myelin sheaths are made up of Schwann cells. It consists fatty material. Okay, Schwann cells contains fatty material. Where we see these Schwann cells? In myelin sheath. Axons are non-myelinated sheath. Okay, axons are non-myelinated. It does not contains axons does not contains myelin sheath, and it contains axon endings also. Axon contain axon endings and synaptic nobs. So sheath helps us to find out differences between dendrites and axons. This myelin sheath is present. Okay, this myelin sheath is present in axon. So we can easily identify the differences between axon and dendrites. Our nervous system contains more than 100 billions. Okay, our nervous systems contains 100 billion nerve cells are present. Okay, it is used to communicate with each other. Dendrites of one nerve cell connect to axons of another nerve cell through connections called as synapse. So this synapse is very important, very important. This synapse means, see, one nerve cell connect with the axons of other nerve cell. Okay, one connection is called, this is called synapse. We will see synapse. This is the synapse. This is what this is. This is the one neuron, and this is another neuron. One neuron of dendrite is connected to the one neuron of axons. Okay, one neuron of axons. These are the axons of axon terminals. These are dendrites are connected to the axons. Some gap is present. It is called synapse. Okay, here some gap is present. This is called synapse. One neuron is connected to the another neuron. Synapse is means some gap is present in between one neuron to the another neuron. See, one neuron of dendroid is connected to the another neuron of axon. Some connection is present. It is called synapse. Contact between one neuron to another neuron. I had shown one neuron to another neuron contact. Minute gaps are present. Do not have any protoplasmic connection. See, some gaps are present. No connection is present. Okay. Some gaps are present. No, it is not. Protoplasmic connection is not present. It is called synapse. We found in brain, spinal cord and around the spinal cord. These synapses are present, found in brain, spinal cord and around the spinal cord also. Next topic is types of nerves. First one is afferent nerves or sensory nerves. These nerves which carry information from sensory organs to brain. Where? From sensory organs to brain. See, from sensory organs. This see, what are the sensory organs? Eye, nose, ear. These are the, we know, our sensory organs. Receiving information from sensory organs to brain. See, one example I will say. If you say your friend hi, we first we are seeing with our eye. Then it moves to the brain gives information. Okay. See, sensory organs. Our eye is seeing. She is waving hand, and brain tells she is waving hand. Okay. So this is the example for the afferent nerves or sensory nerves. And next, efferent nerves are motor nerve. These nerves which carry information from brain to body parts. Okay. Brain, see, brain to body parts. If your friend pinch your hand, we feel pain. What we feel pain. So brain says what? We are feeling pain. So this is called afferent nerves. What is afferent nerves? The nerves which carry information from brain to body parts. And next, the third one is the association nerves. These association nerves links together between sensory and motor nerves. Between, see, link together sensory and motor nerves. It contains voluntary and involuntary muscles. We know sometimes we are not in control in certain situations. It is called reflexes. These voluntary and involuntary muscles we already studied in our ninth class also. Okay. See, association nerves first between sensory and motor nerves. First it moves to the information to the afferent and moves to the sensory, and again it moves to the afferent to sensory, and again it moves to the afferent, and again it moves to the where? Brain. Okay. Like this association nerves are doing. So this is the oral topic of the nerve cell. If you have any doubts, and text me, or if you want Telugu teaching, English to Telugu teaching, text me.